Hi friends, good to have you here again. Let's make this quick hairstyle. It's so easy. This one right here. Now this hairstyle is quite easy, it's self-explanatory, but I'll just try to do one or two commentary, just to keep it going and so you guys will enjoy this video. Some people call this hairstyle half up braid and half sewing, but this one there's no sewing. That is where the magic is. Like, that is where the trick is. Hello, if you're new here, welcome again to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for coming to watch this video. This is a very simple hairstyle, especially if you are on a budget. Like, on a budget, this hairstyle is for you. You don't need to do too much, and it's just something you just do straight up. Okay, now I've already parted the hair. I'll make few cornrows and we'll take it up from there. Now that I'm done with the cornrows, we are going to go ahead and pack that hair I left at the back. I did not make the cornrows to be too long because of the length of what we'll be using to do this hairstyle. Okay, then I went ahead also to put gel just to like lay it. It's just optional. If you don't have gel or if you don't want to use gel, it's okay. I just did it because my hair has some undergrowth. Okay, that was why I did it. Now the game changer, the real deal. This is the real deal. This is just a ponytail, but I'm not going to be using the drawstring at the ponytail. I'll just like shift it. I will not use the drawstring. I just drew it from side to side without that drawstring. That way it is going to be wide. Like I used it in the rectangular form instead of the circle form. You get? Instead of opening the rubber band and pushing it inside and making it a drawstring, making it round to just put it on your ponytail. Instead of that, I just extended it and I will use my pins to hold it down. Now you want to use as many pins as possible to hold it down so that it doesn't fall off. As many pins as you are comfortable with. You just use it to go around it and hold it down. Please tell me this is not a hack now. Just tell me this is a hack. Like, you don't need to sit down and braid or do any crochet, no sewing whatsoever. Now you can remove it when you want to sleep and fix it again the next day as many times as you want. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in another video. For now, stay safe. Bye bye.